Welcome back to my morning report. Trust proposals on Thursday, the 17th of September, with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to Eurodollar now, and we've had this big turnaround actually. Eurodollar looked like it was on the slide yesterday, and then hit that support 12.15. Interestingly enough, which I spoke about yesterday as being a near-term pivot, and 12.15 pretty much to the pip, 12.12 on the low on my chart, and then rallied quite strongly actually. Um, Obviously over about 120 ticks up from there, and it sort of turned around the outlook again. I mean, you're basically just choppy, and that's not to be unexpected really in front of this Fed meeting. But it's interesting that the euro is 40 ticks up on the day. Normally, in front of such a huge risk event, I would imagine that the euro would have been fairly flat, but still. There is still some positivity coming through this chart. 1370 is that initial resistance, obviously from that reaction high that we saw at the beginning of the week, before a slight slide in the price, and we've just actually moved above 1330 being the initial sort of line of resistance. So there is a near-term sort of mixed outlook. 1370 is your key level there, but I think it's probably more important to talk about the big levels on a Fed rate. On a hike, you'd get probably a sell-off on the euro, or you would get a sell-off on the euro dollar, maybe back towards that 111 area, and that would be your key level. But 112.15 is obviously your key line of support. On no move, you could well see, as I said, a move above 1370, maybe towards the 1465 area, which is the old sort of resistance of the range. So you could well see that move, but in front of the Fed, it's very difficult to really call this, and I think ultimately you're not going to see too much direction, even though Euro's up sort of 40 pips at the moment. I don't see it being that much more. You could see it sort of start to slide away again, but in front of this Fed meeting, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later, I think.